So welcome back to another episode where we're going to be covering our rainwater harvesting tank supplied by Rainwater Harvesting Limited. So here you can see we opted for a 7,500 litre tank which is going underground. Here it is being offloaded off the flatbed. Now, why do we choose this system from Rainwater Harvesting System? So this will essentially collect all the rainwater from our roof, feed it down the gutter pipes, store it and use it for toilet flushing, garden taps, washing the cars, and again irrigating the garden that we have. So I like to keep my lawns green in summer. And this can be used even in the event of a hosepipe ban. So that's really why we did it, and plus we have about 5 toilets in the new property going in. And the reason we chose this unit, it was a complete package, competitively priced, came complete with the tank, the filter, the pump, the control unit, all working together in a very, very easy to follow, simple system. And you know, it's received all the certifications, and here's our ground workers, Singh Digging. Big shout out to them for getting that tank offloaded and moved to the back. So as I said, you know, the tank was bigger than I expected it to be, but you know, we had all the dimensions, and the team used the digger truck to get it off. And you know, when you see this happening, it's just when you realise how much planning and things need to go into this. We had a bit of a challenge here with one of the drains which hadn't been demolished yet, because the property is still occupied, so they had to sort of get it over that drain without sort of scraping or damaging the unit. So again, RBJ Builders doing a fantastic job there, directing Singh Digging to get that in there. Now the actual tank is actually manufactured in Germany, so high quality product. It's already got the ducts, the filters already there, so all you've got to do is just run some ducting and your overflow and get all the plumbing done internally. So a bit of prep work involved. Here's the trench, or the pit rather, that was dug for it. They went a little bit deeper, but again it's within the manufacturing tolerances, and then the team got the tank into the ground using that grabber truck, or digger truck rather, and got it in. Here you see all the inlets, etc. You know, there's an inlet and an outlet to sort of overflow into a soakaway, and then they backfilled it with you know, pea shingle underneath and around, and on top before backfilling it with earth and getting the shaft and the shaft cover on. And so then what the builders did, they cracked on with all the drainage and waste pipe work which they got in place for the property, and also the servicing duct there which you see in black, which will have the electricity and water pipes going down to the unit to control it from the control unit. We had to put a shaft extension on, as I said, because we went slightly lower than normal, but here we are all finished up. Services duct, everything's buried in, pea shingled and what have you, backfilled with all the rainwater collection and foul waste all in, and there's the unit sitting just above the ground. They'll get that shaft cut down to size once the patio is laid, but it's going to stay like that. So please like and subscribe if you want to follow us, and we'll show another video getting the tank connected. So see you soon.